Today I will show you how to set up a Excel worksheet background and also print out the background color. Let's make a new worksheet. Click the top left corner, select all the cells, then select the color. Let's copy the data to the new worksheet. Copy, paste. Then I select all the data cells and make it note files. Now we have a background of the data. When we try to print out it, let's preview. You only see the background color of this area. So how to print the background color for all the papers? Let's go back. And from here you can see the print area. You just enter some data here, the next page. Doesn't matter what kind of data you enter. And let's see when you try to print out. You will see the whole background color be printed out. So if you don't want other people see you input some data here, you can just change the text color to the same color as the background. So nobody will notice that you have some data input here. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.